How's it going, guys? It's Selfie again. Today I'm going to show you how to link any South African bank account to PayPal using FNB. So if you like this type of content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification to stay notified with the latest videos on this channel. With that being said, I'm Selfie and let's get into this video. Linking any South African bank account to PayPal is very simple. You use FNB because FNB is the only bank that has a Forex division. So what you're going to do is click register and you go sign in with PayPal, and after that you're going to click sign in without an FNB account. If you have it, you can sign in with an FNB account. If you don't have it, like me, I just sign in without an FNB account. And then you're going to be prompted to fill out this form, which is a form that you need to fill out. Make sure you fill in everything. One thing to note is that do not skip the text information. Do not say that you don't have the information right now. Fill in everything. If you don't have a text number, go to SAL's website, fill in the forms, get a text number, come back and then fill in this form, because you will run into problems later on, which I'll show you at the end of this video. So now once you've filled in this form, you're going to click next. It's going to show you your information again, and then just to confirm that this is your information, and then you click next. It's going to show you your login name and your security code, which I can't show you guys because it's my personal and private information. Now once you've done that, you log into your account, and then you're gonna find some prompts, then you click next. You can also update your account from once you've logged in. So if you didn't put your text number, you can always come back and put it in later on. So it's a really nice thing to have. And once you've done that, you can say next and then follow those prompts, and then you're done. It's that simple, that easy. Now that you've signed in, you're asking yourself, how do I link my account with my PayPal? So you're gonna go to link PayPal account. I can't do that because I still need to get my tax number. This is the process where you'll be able to add any bank account using FNB platform. So now you're gonna click link my PayPal account, and then you'll follow the prompts. So when it says input your banking details, so then now you can add in your non-FNB account, whether it be ABSA, whether it be Time Bank, whether it be Capitec, or whatever bank here in South Africa that you use. You can type it in there, and then you'll finish, and then it is that simple, that easy. This message only requires you to fill in a text form. When you do not fill in a text form, this is the message that you'll get. All you need to do is to go to SARS, fill in the form, get your text number, come back, edit your account, which I'll do a part 2 of this video, so stay tuned for that one. And I'll show you guys, once you've got your text number, how to go about updating your profile. The reason why I'm in this position is because I listen to people that didn't do the full process. If they did the full process the right way, adding their text number at the beginning, we wouldn't even be having these issues right now. It would have been a seamless sign up and linking your account. Because I've spoken to the customer services and they literally just walked me through the whole process, and it is quite simple, it's quite easy, once they walk you through it. And I'm here to show you guys how to do it, because there's a lot of incomplete information, and incomplete information is never good information. So yeah, stay tuned for part 2. This has been Selfie. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification to stay notified with the latest videos on this channel. With that being said, I'm Selfie, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
And you know what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where it seems that love will come around. So don't stay